Hi, Dr. Aneesh. We're so happy to have you here at CIDSCON with us. I was just actually curious as to what initially motivated you to start using infection.
So, at NIMS, what we actually did is, for me, I've been into this infectious, not only infectious, I was involved with molecular diagnostics and clinical genomics for more than a decade, approximately about 15 years now. So we have seen doctors, clinicians facing issues where they have to actually think what is, what could possibly be the pathogen present for the infection and stuff like that. So every time they decide on the first panel, that they go for the next panel. So it becomes a battery of tests, an odyssey of tests, and it becomes, if we don't detect something in them, then it becomes, they don't know what to do. They are bombarded with all kind of antibiotics, and then it leads to resistance and all sorts of problems. So when I came across this particular test in its nascent start, this was something which is agnostic. It's sample agnostic. It is, absolutely pathogen agnostic. You don't have to think what you're looking at. So this is like was the motivation for us to bring it down to NIMS to Adam, one. And the second thing is bringing the best or the latest of the technologies at an affordable cost to the suburban or the rural population in India was the core objective. And that's how infection was, started functioning at NIMS.
Wow. So how long approximately have you been using the test?
I think we adopted it in 22, end of 22, had a series of validations. And by, I think it was in February, March of 23 to 2023 that we, deployed it. And then we have been using it. And the highlight is we not only do it for our own patients, we have been able to percolate into other hospitals. And this has invaded the prescription of other doctors from other hospitals as well. So that has been a huge impact.
Wow. So when you said there were other standards of care that you were using, what were they and what challenges did you exactly face with that you think NGS now has overcome?
See, we have used mostly PCR based because I generally deal with specialty diagnostics. So most of our tests has been PCR based earlier, even array based, like, those tests have been used. But what happens is they were, able to pick up even fragmented DNA. So even if it is not, a live infection, it picks up.
Yeah.
It being short fragments, it can always, give you a false positive result as well.
Yes.
And, many times what happens is the clinician was not able to correlate clinically.
Yeah.
So that becomes the hindrance. So all those challenges were covered in this. They don't have to think what panel to select.
Right.
They don't have to think, if it is a fragmented DNA that's getting picked up.
Is it?
Exactly. And also polymicrobial. Many times PCR used to give us polymicrobial infections, which are not clinically correlated as well. And then this solved the issue because it goes through such a robust pipeline, and then it has a human intervention as well. The microbiologist intervening into the report and then releasing all across, change the entire scenario. So, and that's why I think the clinicians are happy, the patients are healthy, and that's why the test is
Great. Thank you so much for your time and hearing about infection. I think that was the purpose behind it as well. So we're really
thank you so
much.